Well guys, now I'm here in the city called Olinda. There's a very nice church here behind me, you know, and I like to see where the people keeps departing. It's very hilly, it's so different from Recife, and it's very interesting. Actually, there's a priest here behind me, I don't know if you guys can see, holding a woman in such a way, but that's something else that I don't want to say in the video. So we're just gonna walk for a little bit more, and I think that's gonna be the tour of the day. I have to say that I'm a little bit tired. Gee, I hope it's his mother. And these guys, we have a nice view of Olinda, which is well known for its hills. I think you guys can see there's a nice church down there. You know, there's a lot of churches, and once again, the flag. I really like this flag. It's a very happy flag. And over there, you'll see the city of Recife. I'm getting against the light, but you can see the skyline. Pretty nice. And here, a bar, a restaurant actually. Kind of cool. Well, I want to go down to this hill here. Guys, what I really like in here is the number of old homes that they turn into museums or something. I still insist they should take a little bit more care, because you guys can see that it's kind of rusty here, you know, but you can see all these old balconies. Make such an interesting place. And what is amazing is that they, you know, used, you know, the famous fair, hippie fair and everything. And there's a great view here from the city of Recife. Gosh, it's much bigger than I thought. Very interesting. Guys, just take a look at this small street down here. How cute they are. They just transform a normal street into vendors. It's very, very nice. And everywhere you go here, you can see those beautiful dolls, these big dolls there. Look how nice it is. Bars, and also the lottery house here. And it's very, very interesting. Some homes seems to be just normal homes. Some others that's so kind of different. Hey guys, can you see that huge old black man? Velho preto, preto velho. It's so cool here. Like I was saying, every little house, they transform it into stores. And even just big statues here, we can see it closer here. Very, very, they're huge. They're just huge. Over there, I think they're normal homes, so it doesn't change much. But I would say that this is my favorite one. This is really my favorite one. So cool. So cool. And just behind me, guys, you have what is astronomical observatory. You know, that's how they used to look to the sky. Actually, the guy just said that the name of this town is called Olinda because meteors coming to the Earth, or they were observing a meteor many years ago when the town is being built. And they just look, and someone, astronomic, whatever, look at that, the scientists, and said, "Oh, linda visão." What a beautiful vision. That's why the name of the town became Olinda. And it's really, really a nice town, people. Can you hear this, guys? Cicadas. I've never heard such a loud noise like this one here. Listen. Kind of scary. As I said before, guys, I just love these old churches. Look at that bell over there. Actually, there's a lot of churches in Olinda. It's so pretty, it's so nice, and it's so old. Well guys, this is one of the famous hills of Olinda. I'm a little bit in the middle of the road here, of the street. So can you imagine when it's raining and people have to dance and go up and down this. The tour guide just said that these rocks were brought kilometers from here because they didn't have anything like this here. So they had to go to the Mata Atlântica and get the stones, the slaves, of course, poor slaves, one by one. Look at this black one here. She said the name, I forgot, I'm sorry. It's been, I'm not doing a good work, sorry about that. But look how pretty and long it is, people. That's my group, the group I'm coming with. And it's pretty steep. Oh, but I'm loving this town. It's fantastic and I really recommend it as a tour thing. Guys, I know it's kind of hard to walk here, but it's so pretty. Every little corner you go, you have just alleys here, but it's very interesting. Look at this very beautiful blue house right here. And every little place you go, there's a different color. And these houses here, the guide explained something. Look how beautiful they are. Gosh, what a nice place, people. Everybody should come. I think I'm going to start a new company here in Olinda to be a tour guide. Super nice. I just heard a tour guide saying that nobody can do any change on the external part. They can do whatever they want internally, but not on the outside. Probably like, oh, Preto and Minhas that within. But this one is also I think it's my favorite one. Look how cool. The details on top of it. It's very nice. I would live there very easily. I love these colors here. As at every little corner, they seem to have a bar, an outdoor store here. They want to be able to call them to people. It's just kind of colonial. Cars coming. And super nice folks. I'm just enjoying my group here. As I said before, I can imagine when it's raining how people walk into here. It's very nice. Oh, I found what I like here, tattoo parlor. Walrus tattoo. The guide is saying that this is a house built with Portuguese style. I just miss how old it is, but I'm gonna try to get close so you guys can see all the details. Oh, it's fucking. That's so amazing, people. Behind us, people, there's another old home. It used to be also a prison. Now, naturally, they transformed in a supermarket, selling more of the same. It's super cool. My friend is getting tired. Tired, Howard?
A little.
You want to go home?
A little. Yeah, I'm ready.
Had enough?
I'm ready.
Okay, me too. I hope you guys can hear it. This church is from 1500 and the guy said it's one of the richest churches in the area. We're gonna go inside of it. We all love this kind of old church. Makes the faith get bigger. Hi guys, kind of exhausted. Today was really a very long walking day. but it was very good because, as you guys could see, I toured through Recife and Olinda. I have to say Olinda is gorgeous. I extremely recommend to you guys to come to visit. Now it's 9:49. I am exhausted. We have a very delicious dinner this second day. Unfortunately, I didn't have my camera nor my cell phone to record it for you. It was a very good seafood paella and Blood Mary caipirinhas and dry margaritas. I'm kind of drunk, I have to say. I shouldn't say that, but it's vacation and I am exhausted. I'm going to bed and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.